Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Let the Peace of God Reign in the key of F on acoustic guitar. So this song has about 11 chords in it, and it's really hard to move your fingers around. So just have patience, go slowly through it. If you have to slow the video down in the settings of YouTube, do that as well. But I'm going to show you all the different chords. So let's start right into it. I'm going to play it just a little bit of it, and then I'll break it down for you, okay? Starts off with that F right there. So that's barring on that first fret all the way across. He's got his ring finger and his pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the A and the D string, and he has his middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. So that hold me closer. So that's B flat over F. I am barring right there on that 1st fret on the A string, and then I have my my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D and the G string. Draw me closer. Goes into a D minor. So that is 1 on the 1st fret for the high E, and then it is 3 on the B string, and then 2 on the G string. Lord, that's a C over E. So C, for sure, normal C. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, open on the G string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and then back to that F. Heart is set on, and then when he says you, it's an E flat 2. Up here on the 6th and 8th frets, so 6 on the A string, and the 8th fret on the D and the G string. He's going to go from the E flat 2 down to the B flat to the C sus. So that's 1 1 on the E and the B, 3 on the A string, mute the D string, open on the G, into a normal C. Let me run the race of time. That's B into an F. Back to a B with your life in C, D minor. Your life enfolding mine, and let the G peace of God, C, let it rain. B flat, G major 7. So I'm barring on that 3rd fret right there all the way down, and then just the ring finger and the pinky finger on the 5th fret of the A and the D string to the F. B, F, right back into the verse. F, B flat over F. So we got a D minor, C, E. Then we have an E flat over 2, B flat, C sus, C. Back on the B flat. F, B flat, C, D minor, G, C, B flat, G major 7, F, B flat, F. So that is the verse for verse 1, verse 2. That all stays the same. The only thing that changes is down in the chorus, and we're going to get right to that right now. So we're going to start off with the C. Oh Lord, I hunger, D minor, for more, B flat of you, F, rise up within me, when we have some new chords in here. We got the G minor, separate, A major, A minor 7, then D minor 7, and that's 1, 1, 2. That A minor 7 was 2 on the D string and 1 on the B string. And the D major 7 was 1, 1, 2. So again, that was G major. Separate my soul, then back to a G over B. Let the light of God fill me now, F, B. Let your healing powers breathe life and make me, F, whole, B. And let the peace, G, of God, C, B flat, let it rain. Okay, so let's do that chorus one more time. So like I said, that song has some incredibly hard chord changes, and it happens really quick, especially that last part with the G minor to the A minor 7 to the D minor 7. So just go through it slowly. It's a beautiful song to play, and I hope you really enjoyed this guitar tutorial today. Please come back, like, subscribe, and share the channel, and we'll see you next time.